Namaste, this is Sapna Pradarshi. I am your wellness coach, guide and friend. So how are you all doing? Today I am here to take you on a journey of 21 days to change your lifestyle for a better health. So far, I made you do meditation challenge of 14 days, which you all successfully did. In case any one of you have missed out, avail the opportunity. All my videos are available on YouTube. You can go to YouTube, but please subscribe to my channel right away and press the bell icon. So far, we did mental prosperity through guided meditations. Let us continue our journey to the complete fitness of our mind, body and soul, so that we become completely happy and healthy. There are two questions that will come to your mind. 21 days? Why 21 days? And what will I make you do during these 21 days? So let me explain to you. See, the concept of 21 days is very important. What happens is, our body needs 21 days to get used to any new thing. If you do any practice or if you do any new thing for 21 days continuously, then after 21 days, you need not have to put any extra efforts. Your body will do that automatically. In fact, you will find that on 22nd day, your body will demand that. Because after 21 days, that becomes a habit. So, you must do anything for 21 days at least to get that as a habit. I'll give you an example here. For example, if you are not able to get up early in the morning, it becomes very difficult to get up, let's say at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. So what we do is we put an alarm, and daily with the help of that alarm, we wake up. So what you do is you force yourself to wake up at 6 o'clock every day by putting an alarm, but you must do that practice for 21 days continuously without a break. I guarantee you, on 22nd day, you will not need the alarm. Your body alarm will make you wake up. You know what happens? We join gym or we join swimming. So mostly it happens, I've seen a lot of people just leaving that swimming or gym after 6-7 days or so. You know, but if you force yourself and continue for 21 days, whether it is a swimming or gym, after 21 days it will become a habit to you and you will automatically do that. Your body will demand, as I told you. So that is the reason I am here for 21 days to make your body get used to all those healthy lifestyle changes so that you become happy and healthy mentally as well as physically. Yeah? Okay. Now the question is, what will we do during these 21 days? Our modern and hectic lifestyle is a root cause of our mental and physical imbalance in our life. Our chalta hai approach to food and water is the real poison in our life. I will guide you on a daily basis and you keep doing that every day. Each day, you keep adding that new thing to your daily routine. For example, on day 2, you do day 1 practice and day 2 practice together. When you go to day 3, you need to do day 1, day 2 and day 3, all the 3 practices together. So that is what I mean, that every day I will guide you a new thing to include into your lifestyle and carry on. So once 21 days are over, on 22nd day onwards, you have to do all these 21 practices in your daily life. Once you do that, I guarantee you that you will lead a happy, healthy life forever. Okay? To start with, it is important to know a little bit about our body. We must know what are our body doshas, our gunas, how do they affect our body, how do they affect our lifestyle, how do they physically affect us, how do they mentally affect us. Why do we fall sick? What kind of a food we eat? How we eat? What kind of a water we drink and how we drink? How we sleep? How much we sleep? Do we breathe correctly? This is all about our lifestyle. What kind of yoga asanas we should do? What kind of exercises we should do? Why do we get angry? Why do we get repulsive without no reasons? How active are we in our daily life and in what ways? What is our thought pattern? Is it positive or negative? What kind of environment we are weaving around us? What kind of messages we are sending to the universe? Are we creating problems to ourselves? Are we creating problems to our family? Are we creating problems to our children? All this is very important. The right kind of a lifestyle is very important. And this is what I am here for. During these 21 days, I promise, I will give you the ways to lead a happy, healthy and prosperous lifestyle. All you need to do is follow all these 21 days continuously. Do not miss out on any day. Promise yourself to include all those daily advice to your daily routine. As I mentioned earlier, force yourself to practice those. But before that, subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on any of these videos, and please press the bell icon. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Namaste and be blessed by the Divine Power.